We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge, and I'm working with the Brother MFC 7460DN. So this printer, it takes a TN420 or a TN450. The 420 is your low yield, the 450 is your high yield, and the high yield is basically just more ink. So first thing, go ahead and open your front hatch here. Pull this lever out. And then you'll need to take the toner out of the drum. So press this green tab and that will release it. Set your old toner to the side. Unbox your new one and go ahead and put it in here. And just follow the guides. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there correctly. Stick it in your printer. There you go. Once it clicks, you know it's in there. Shut the front hatch and you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.